Whoa. Awesome. Crazy. Ah!
Taco changing travel.
Whoa.
That dude over here.
What kind of dinosaur is this, honey? It's moving around. Whoa.
It's just because we went today.
You think? Wow. Look at this giant T-Rex, dude. Whoa. Check him out. Whoa. Let's go look at the train. This is so cool. He wants to go see the model trains, and then we're gonna go ride the dinosaur train. Thomas is on the tracks today. Oh, look at the running stream right here. I've never seen that before. Oh, Thomas is running the tracks today with Annie and Clarabelle. There it goes. And there goes the dinosaur train. I heard cows.
Hi, Thomas.
Look at his eyes are moving.
Let's get in Clevo.
And with Annie and Clarabelle, there they go. Water tower, miniature version, and then there's the big version. Sunflowers are amazing. Here comes the train. Whoa. Check out this red one. Look how long this is. Look at their passenger coaches. There's a restaurant. Thomas is in the middle, bud. Look at that cute red one and black one. He's all by himself. Hear the cows? The dinosaur's walking around. Whoa, look at it coming from underneath the tunnel. This is an electric train. You see the wires up above? The dinosaur's coming, bud. Here he comes. Whoa. Wow! Whoa! Awesome! Crazy! Ah! That was cool. go see the turntable, guys. Look at hot diggity dogs. Indiana. Whoa. Wild. Dude, it's a splitter. Sweet. Dude, look at all that coal for the steamies. That's crazy. What are these? Look at this light on here. Oh, so cogwheel route. Manitou. That is so cool. This thing, oh, is this what they were talking about needs to be refurbished? Who? From Tim's Sheds? This does.
Where all the real work gets done.
Wow.
Where all the locomotives and stock cars get repaired.
This is,
Inside that roundhouse.
wow.
This turntable was actually put in before the roundhouse was in.
You're kidding.
And it's an operational turntable. The track right there leads out to the main line. So this, for example, will run out onto the turntable and then get onto that track using a 55-foot turntable and weighs 55 tons.
Oh.
And although when Burlington Northern had it, it was electrified, because this is a museum and we like to do demonstrations, the volunteers are free and so manually operated turntable now.
Okay. But it works. That's the key, right?
It's on here. That keeps the rails in line, and that's why the sign says yellow. So people see slowly. This turns red, meaning the turntable is free to move, so don't try and move anything on or off. But when you do,
Little muscle power.
you can do it even with the locomotive on it.
That is awesome.
It's,
Does it take more than one person
yeah.
to move it with the locomotive? You want some help? Wow, that's amazing that you can turn it by hand with a train on there. They're working on this one. This is their newest. 1899. Look at all the tools in here. This is amazing. Wow. Whoa, look at the snowplow, the cow catcher on this guy. 346. This one looks just as old, if not older. I love the lanterns. This is incredible. That coach. Rio Grande. This is awesome. It's a model.
Museum.
That's so
Looks handmade.
gorgeous. Look at that. It does look handmade. Look at the coal. Look at the caboose from this side. Wow, it does need work. Look at those curtains. They're probably as old as the train. This is where they work on all the trains, honey. Churned ice cream. Yummy. Say hi to Spike, bud. Hey, they've got some Kona ice. Shaved ice, guys. Hi, Spike. This view. Okay, so these chairs flip. They're locked right now. You just lift it up and flip them. That's what they did back in the day. I guess so you didn't get sick and you turned around, right? Look, we have a view of the dinosaur. Oh, so cool.
came
Guys,
from the
this
80s.
train we're riding in
And we
is
have the open
138
rider
years
cars
old.
built
This
here,
coach.
museum grounds.
We're on our way. Kona ice. Look at that flatbed car.
We're over in Southern number 20, oldest operating steam locomotive 346. You're welcome to walk to the front of the roundhouse as well as around to the back. Underneath the heating lamp post is where you can see into the large viewing gallery of the roundhouse.
Wow.
Coming up here on the inside of the curve, a few tracks over, we'll be seeing two locomotives. They're called Shay locomotives. It's all-wheel drive type locomotive. They used to have very high pulling powers at low rates of speed. Those two used to haul lumber and limestone in the early 1900s. Rely heavily on both your mission fairs. We also rely heavily on donations, state grants, and fundraisers. That car has sprung a leak on top of its roof.
Oh
The car
no.
has a wooden frame around it and a metal skeleton. On the other side of it,
There's the dinosaur, you guys. Thomas is cruising around and there's the dinosaur. What?
cruising down the hill.
He's waving.
Outside of the curve, you'll be seeing two steam locomotives. 191, which is our oldest locomotive here, built in 1880. Had a top speed about 20 miles an hour. 6 years.
What do we have going on here?
We have got a couple different fossils that you guys can actually come over and hold on to.
And what is this supposed to be?
So let me see if I'm going to say it right, but it's the Didelphodon. So this would have been an early marsupial.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
It.
It kind of looks like an otter.
He
He's got a really
does.
flat bridge nose, and he's got the really pointy canine teeth, which meant that he would be at least a omnivore, but ate some kind of meat.
Wow.
That's why
so
we see those
are
sharp
these
teeth.
molds of the real thing, are you
Yes.
saying? Okay, that's so cool. Wow. Yeah, but this stuff is so cool. It's the Polar Express? Wow, Bubba. Yeah. Ooh, that is fancy. Polar Express Award. Okay, let's go see what else they have, honey.
Check out these train tracks.
Those are train trucks.
Trucks are going to train tracks.
Wow. United States Mail Railway Post Office. Burlington. This is a mail railway post office right here. Cool. In the mid 1800s. It is really old. There goes the train, baby.
Subscribe now.
Taco Changing Travel.